Hi and welcome back to a new art journaling video. On Wednesday I always share pages where I work on already finished backgrounds. Today I'm working on a leftover paint background and I start by adhering some Brushos colored napkin or tissue with gel medium. After this is dry, I add some texture to the background by using some sentiment stamps from Rubber Dance. I also use a flower stamp on the left side. I'm adding some outlines to the flowers with a white paint marker. And I do also some mark making. I would like to have the turquoise, which is on the top right corner, also on some other places, so I use turquoise acrylic ink and add some splatters. I have already prepared some flowers. These are layered stems from my favorite things, and I will arrange them on the page and adhere them with a glue stick. Finally, I use some Pit Artist pens to color in my title. My page is finished. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!